Hello everyone, welcome to my BadBank app. First thing, when you land on the page, you get this introductory offer to open a bank account and get $500. This is my landing page. There's a footer that tells you some regular basic info, but it's mostly about me. If you want to hire me, you can send me an email here, or you can visit my portfolio webpage. And this is my nav bar. And this is a login for a user login. Since we don't have a login, we're gonna make an account, create an account. This is my form. And as we type into the input field, we get the validation as we go. Since I don't have the correct password, this button is not going to work, and I have to make sure that I get the correct password. Here we go, and we sign in. We registered the account. Now we log in to access the account. After we log in, I think I did this one. Here we go. So first thing we go in is the dashboard. This is the main, like a regular bank account. You go and you see your transactions, what happened since you logged in. This is the $500 introductory offer that we received. And this is going to be my site bar. It's similar to the nav bar, but I'm thinking about deleting this one once we log into the account. So we can go deposit, withdraw, or this is the user info, account info. This is where we got the username, email, password, and created on. This is the date that it created. On the dashboard here, we have transactions, amount, balance, and the date. So let's make a deposit. $1,000. We have $1,500 now. If I make a withdrawal, 788. Now we get 788. If we go back to the dashboard, the information is saved here. Somewhat. It's not perfect, but we're getting there. So I have the amount that I deposited, and I get the balance, I get the transaction date, and it tells me if it's a deposit or a withdrawal. If I go and make another withdrawal, let's say minus 400, it's not going to take it because it's going to tell me it needs a positive value. Same thing for a deposit. If I'm trying to enter a letter, it's going to tell me that I'm entering the wrong, I'm entering letters instead of numbers. So we have to go back and let's deposit another 1,000, and we go back to the dashboard and we have the transactions here. And once we're done, we can log out. If you want to go back again, you just go back to the login. I did a lot of changes since from the starter code. I'm working on a back end for my app right now, so I'm setting up the front end. This is what I've been working on. This is my images that I used. These are the components for the website, and this is where the back end is going to go. I started with an Axios for an API that's going to do validation for the form from the database. It's going to grab the information there. I did a lot of changes. I encountered many issues with creating the form, and I reached out to friends and the colleagues on from the course. I went to Stack Overflow and W3 schools to get some info about what I need to do. Many enhancements and features that I added, like the dashboard that's splitting the information between the all user data and the account transactions. I added a lot of there's tons of styling going on in here on this website. Tons of styling that is not that was not asked for in video. Hopefully you guys like this app and what I've done so far.